Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and having a great time. Friends, today I'll be sharing a very good information about stress and anxiety. I think this is my second or the third topic I'm going to say only about stress and anxiety. And everybody knows that how much stress we have in today's life and everyday's life, whether you just wake up from your sleep early in the morning and you have a full to-do list, and you can say, oh, today is such a busy day and I need to really get going and have so many errands to do. And upon that, when you have your to-do list, you'll have so many other things cropped up even before you woke up. You might have some other problems going on, and you must have just woken up with a very bad mood before the alarm also rang off. So I'm just talking this with my own experience today, that I had put the alarm, but I didn't wake up with the alarm today. So my roof of my bathroom started leaking, and I could hear that the water is falling down. So I had to just call the plumber, and I got it fixed. But that was the thing which woke me up today. So it was really frustrating and all, and it was that kind of a day. So I just said, oh, today was such a stressful day for me. And I said, oh, I should talk about it. And friends, if you have not liked and uh, liked my channel yet, please like it, share, comment, and subscribe. And hit the bell button also, so that whichever video when I put it, you will be the first person to watch it. So please do that, friends. That is a big motivation which gives to me, and I take that as a big motivation. So please do that much favor to me, and I'll tell you how to reduce your anxiety right now. So then the first point which I'm going to say you what I did and what relaxed me. I was also in a very bad mood in the morning, and I felt like breaking something like that I was feeling. So but then I said, oh, it's becoming too much and I'm not able to control my own self. So I just know that some doctor had told me that when you do this, these are the pressure points. I saw it in some yoga class or something somewhere. So I just remembered, and so not talking and without much ado. So this is my hand and this is my left hand. I don't know whether in the camera whether you can see that this is my right hand, and this, whenever you see me wearing this is always my right hand, because I only wear this and I wake up with this. So this is the only thing which always is always with me. So coming to the point, so when you hold your hand like this, you just see that when you hold your hand like this three fingers should touch your wrist like this, and fourth finger comes here. So when you see that the fourth finger is here, you just take this point and just massage it or rub it, or however you feel comfortable. So with the thumb you can just do it, more activating it, because thumb has more energy than all your four fingers. Without a thumb you cannot do anything. So thumb is the most good finger and the most energetic finger. Just massage this for 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 120 seconds, depending on how much calmness you want. Because when you're doing something, you know how anxiety you can get, and left hand is always better because your heart is on the left side. So never leave this and just massage this. So if you massage this for 30, 60, 90, or 120 seconds, you'll see that it is almost calmed you so well. And even if that doesn't calm you well, you can just have little water or just walk around your room itself when you have woken up. That also helps you. And now I'll tell you about the second point, friends. So now the second point is in the middle of your forehead and between your eyebrows. See, here are your eyebrows. So this is your called the third eye. You should always stimulate here like this and keep pressing it and doing it round again. You can even do it with your thumb like this. It will really help you in keeping calm, and it will avoid all heart attacks. If somebody is having very bad panic attacks, very bad anxiety attacks, just rub this. So this is the second point, and I have already shared all this before also. If you feel uncomfortable with your right hand, you can always take your left hand also. So just press it, or just do this. That's why in India, many women wear that round dot which is called bindi. That also helps in calming the women's very nicely. But men cannot do anything, so it's good. All this if men do and they don't have, and I've heard that men die more in heart attacks than the women, because women are little calmer in that way, and they take care well of their anxiety and all. So this is the second point. So now is the third point. Just where you have your earrings, you can either remove your earrings and just pull it. See, just pull it. Even though I'm wearing my earrings, I'm still showing you, and this will help you in calming your anxiety. And there's a point of here, as you all can see, I have an earring of here, and this having earrings on your ear at this point, there's a reason behind it, that you don't get much anxiety. So you can just feel where your point is. For me, it is of here, because of where I'm wearing my earring. So you just pull it over there and just pull that and press it some 10 or 20 times. You'll feel so relaxed, and just keep drinking warm water, and that also will calm your anxiety. And once you feel that you're feeling so much relaxed after doing all this, just do like this. Cover your ears. You'll feel that your ears are echoing, and you cannot hear anything. And you can, when you close this ears, you'll close it and you'll only see that my own voice is echoing, and I cannot hear what is going on. Even if somebody is going to honk now, I won't be able to hear, because I've pressed it so much. So all these are really good techniques. So today I've just come up with the finger points and all these pressure points, especially for heart anxiety and nervousness and all, when you have so much unlisted things and things just come in. So it will help you in getting relaxed, and you'll feel so much comfortable, and you'll say, oh, with the other to-do list, I can even handle the non things which I had not thought about. So I hope this video just helps you all, whoever it is, and you all have a great day, and take care of yourselves more and more. Bye. Love you all.